Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. This is my last Sephora unboxing for a while, my Sephora Play box. I did cancel my subscription because I just was really disappointed in the last couple boxes. There weren't a lot of things in there I could use or that I was excited about, and there were quite a few duplicates. Even though it was like a end of year thing, I wasn't into it. So this month is January, and the theme of this box is Stress Busting Beauty Chart. And I know I'm in the front-facing camera on my tablet, so it's going to be backwards. So bear with me. It is what it is. You know how we roll. The first thing in the bag is the Victor & Rolf Flower Balm. This stuff smells so good. I never buy perfume anymore. I just use the samples till they're gone. I don't know. I just do. The next thing is the Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. I don't know, I'm doing that because you can't really see it because I have this blinding light in front of me. And I'm in my gym clothes. Yes, I know. I wanted to film this before my day got too busy and the time went by too long. And next thing you know, it's February and I haven't even opened the box. So the next thing in the box is, oh crap, I just dropped that in the thing of the sofa. The next thing in the bag is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, which they've sent us this before, not that long ago, and I already have it, and I don't like it. And the next thing is the Kat Von D Tattoo Eyeliner. This actually is really good, and I do like it, but I have bought 2 other black liquid eyeliners, and this would probably be my 3rd or 4th Kat Von D liquid eyeliner. Why? The High Performance Setting Spray by Cover FX 24-hour wear. Why you need to wear your makeup for 24 hours, I don't know. Maybe you have a photo shoot. Maybe you're a $10,000 an hour model. I don't know. Maybe. But this setting spray is cute little, oh, it's got little shakers in it. So I might use that even though I don't wear foundation and I very rarely wear makeup these days. But when I do want it to stay. So, I put on a little blusher, put on, some primer, put on a little blusher, a little eyeshadow, a little mascara, lipstick. The last thing in the bag is the only thing I'm actually really excited about. And it's the Glam Glow Super Mud Cleansing Treatment Mask. Just the cleansing treatment. This is the gray one. This bag tube is gray, and I think it is the black one. It's sealed, which I love. I think it is the black one that I'm used to using, the charcoal one. And I haven't actually bought it in a really long time because I stopped wearing foundation. So I haven't really restocked it. I've been using this Amore Pacific enzyme cleanser, and it's working really nicely. I really like the way my skin is turning out, and I think I'm going to possibly stick with that only because I don't wear makeup, so I don't really feel like this deep cleanse is necessary. But my skin was great with that, so who knows? Who knows? I may switch it up. I may go back to it. It is a Holy Grail status item, so I'm going to save that for when I travel because I do have some trips coming up. So, yeah, it is the black one when I look at it. Super Mud Activating Charcoal Treatment Mask. Oh, wait. Okay, wait. No, this is not the cleanser. This is the mask, the actual mask. So, yeah. Okay. Anyway, so that's cool. I am excited about that. And the Victor & Rolf perfume, which I love a good perfume, a fun perfume. The setting spray I may save. I may gift away. I don't know. I feel like I just got a setting spray, though. I did. I got an Urban Decay setting spray. What else? That's all that's in the bag. Here's the bag. These plastic bags that are fully recyclable, as Sephora has said many times on their website, because I keep saying that I hate these plastic bags because I can't reuse them like I would like to because they're just basically a harder plastic Ziploc bag. So I have them all saved in a little paper bag, and I have them all saved that I've been saving from this, and I'm actually just going to throw them away. I was going to recycle them, but I can't really find any place to recycle them to, so they're going to go in the trash. Anyway, that's in the bag. That's what's in the bag. This was my last bag for a while. This is a cute little design, but they're just not impressing me anymore, and I'm getting really disappointed. And I know they're not, and they've changed their point system, so you don't get extra points. They didn't send a little coupon code or anything. You just get the stuff, and the stuff is repetitive. Like literally, that is at least my third Kat Von D eyeliner, maybe my fourth, because I know I've given a couple away. So yeah, and Victor and Rolf I've gotten before too. So it's just getting disappointing. So anyway, I think they have other options, but I'm really not interested because I just a lot of it just gets wasted. So I'll just buy what I want to buy when I want to buy it. That's my box. I hope you enjoyed it. In spite of all my complaining. I mean, there were some things in there that other people might like, and that's why they created the boxes to introduce you into to things that you may not otherwise shop for, or that are new to their store, or new products coming out. But at the same time, I see a ton of new products on the app that I never see in the boxes. So how are you really showing me anything? So that's my 2 cents. That's my 2 cents and a quarter to go with it. So I hope you guys have a great day. I know you like my headband. I got it when I ran my 5K, and it was super. It's actually really comfortable, and it absorbs a lot of sweat. I got 2 different styles, 2 different designs. Nothing to do with Sephora. Have a great day. Enjoy your week. Peace.